Feneco full DC inverter air source swimming pool heat pump adopts Mitsubishi DC inverter high-efficiency compressor and DC inverter brushless motor, which has more stable performance and energy-saving intelligent inverter electronic control. Ultra-wideband working voltage range of 165 volts to 270 volts. It can operate normally in an environment of -15 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Corrosion-resistant titanium tube heat exchanger, OTA remote control, automatic diagnosis, and more convenient maintenance. Space capsule level sound insulation and noise reduction. Built-in second silencer cotton, more silent, intelligent fast defrosting technology improves the heating efficiency of the unit and maintains comfort. Intelligent identification of ambient temperature and water supply temperature, automatic adjustment of compressor operating frequency and expansion valve opening, fast and efficient cooling and heating, 24-hour constant temperature swimming pool. It can also be remotely controlled by Wi-Fi intelligence to make comfort come more timely. It can meet the heating capacity of 5 to 45 kW in a wide range according to the swimming pool area requirements.